everyone. So I'm out on permission. It's around about 7 o'clock on a Saturday evening. So I've had a few things in the post the last week. So new sling, these little detachable mounts, which is on the stock of the Kral np03. So that fits into there, which I didn't know. So I see online somewhere. Might have been on one of the groups. Someone already did it. So whoever that was, thank you for the idea. So yeah, so just to talk about the kit, what I'm using, and just a little preview of what I'm using. So as you can see, I've got the np03. I've had it, I don't know, a good few weeks now. Been pretty good, to be fair. It's not let me down. It was good with the original mags, but I ordered one of these 3D JCE, I think it's by JCE, 3D printed magazines, and they're a lot better. Not nothing wrong with the old magazine, but I just like the, instead of pre-tensioning and loading the pellets, these are just spin round load. And yeah, so, and I think about around 40 yards these are more accurate going through the magazine. So I'm using RWS Superdome. This is 177. I've not really pellet tested anything else because it's been doing the job, to be honest. It's accurate. So I'll show you some footage of the grouping and that as we go on. But yeah, so out to 45 yards it's more than good enough for hunting. So I've not really tried anything else. So I'm not target shooting anymore. So as long as it hits what I'm aiming at, it's good enough for me for hunting. Yeah, so this came for the post. I got this on eBay, a 3D printed like a rail thing, which I've had to re-zero. It was a bit tight getting on, so I've had to re-zero and just check everything. It's all bang on again, so just set it out a little bit. But I expected that because, you know, it's changing the harmonics of the barrel and all that, so or the shroud. So that's sorted. And I'm working with a Pard 007S, so which is the shorter model. That's the newest one. Great bit of kit. I like the simplicity of it. I had a Pard 008 before I stopped shooting for a year ago. That was a good bit of kit, but I just like the idea of how easy it is, you know. And plus I record everything, and if I don't want to record and I just want to, you know, just take it off, and I've got a day scope. On top we've got a Hawk. That's a it's a 312 by 40 Air Max compact, I believe it's called. Big Air Max fan. I used to shoot a 27 by 32 when I was doing the HFT. Had a good bit of success with that. So yeah, so I just got 40mm, a bit better for the old night vision. Oh yeah, so that's one of these little cheap. I've got a Harris type bipod, which is a lot better because this is a bit, but when the lad's shooting he finds it better to have it there, so it's just low enough for him. And then we bring the stock in, so that's for his setup when he's on it, and that's for me, so we can both share the rifle when we're out. And then this is a new bit of kit, which is a Pard, it's a Hick Micro Lynx Pro LE10 thermal. If you haven't used one of these, great bit of kit. I like my kit anyway, but this is definitely a game changer, just for spotting, day or night. It just makes things, stuff you didn't even know was there. So great bit of kit, working alongside the Pard. It's a top bit of kit. I've also got, obviously we always have a rangefinder on me, but I've got one of the LE30, the day one, the scope mounted one, so for day and night. So I've got that. I'll put that on, which I'll probably be doing because I'm going to have a try and get a good session in tonight. So I've got a lot of ground to cover on this permission. So there's a few paddocks with the rabbits need thinning out. So yeah, so quite lucky really. It's quite a nice permission, this one. Yeah, so that I mount that in the evening. So I'm just gonna gone on a bit longer than I wanted to, but like I say, it's just to let you know what's sort of going on, what kit I'm using, and yeah, so I'll keep enough waffling on. I'm going to get out and try and get some rabbits, and yeah, I'll catch you all in the next video. Didn't press record, damn it. Anyway.